I'm Harper Nables. I'm here with.
Elena.
Okay, I'm going to be interviewing her about Unity Week. Okay, how do you feel, how do you like dressing up for Unity Week?
I think it's pretty fun.
Do you think it's for a good purpose?
Yeah.
Do you think, or have you dressed up for any of the other days?
Yes.
What other days?
When we were wearing orange
What has been your favorite day out of the whole Unity Week to dress up?
pajamas.
Okay, thank you. Any last words?
No.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm Harper Nables. I'm here with.
Owen Linden. And Caden.
Raya Dorsey.
Okay, I'm going to be interviewing them about Unity Week. How do you like dressing up in pajamas?
I love it. It's comfy. I like the pajamas, yeah.
Love pajamas.
Have y'all dressed up for any other day of Unity Week?
No.
I don't think so.
Okay. Do you think that Unity Week is for a good cause?
Yes. Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. How did you choose the pajamas you were going to wear?
I went to Big Lots and bought something. I found them in my closet.
I decided to be Spider-Man, and I got them out of my closet.
Thank you. Okay, any last words?
No.
No.
Okay. Bye, guys. I'm Harper Nables, and I'm here with.
Mr. Pydale.
And I'm going to be interviewing him about Unity Week. Okay. How do you like dressing up in pajamas?
It's comfortable.
Do you think that Unity Week is for a good cause?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Have you dressed up for any other days of Unity Week?
Yeah.
What's been your favorite day so far?
I rhymed with Senor Tomas.
Oh, okay. Yeah, what did y'all rhyme about?
Well, it was this whole thing. I wore all black, like I did today, and he dressed up for track.
Oh, okay. I like it. Any last words for the camera?
Stay in school, study hard, keep it up. That's it.
Thank you. For Naples, I'm here with.
Patrick Toma.
And I'm going to interview him about Unity Week. Okay. How do you like dressing up in pajamas?
I like it a lot because I can feel comfortable because it's a onesie and it's really comfortable.
Okay. Have you dressed up for any other days in Unity Week?
I wore a soccer jersey on Tuesday for Jersey Day.
Okay. What has been your favorite day to dress up for?
Pajama day.
Okay. How did you choose your pajamas to wear?
I've had this onesie for a long time and I really like it because it's a lot of memories in it.
Okay. Thank you. Any last words?
Nope.
Okay. Bye. I'm Harper Naples, and I'm here with.
Harper Watson.
And I'm going to be interviewing her about Unity Week. Okay. What has been your favorite part about Unity Week so far?
Dressing up.
Okay. What have you dressed up for?
Rhyme Without Reason and Pajama Day.
What were you for Rhyme Without Reason?
I was Hot Mess, Wild West, Princess, and Under Arrest.
How did y'all come up with that?
Google.
Okay. What does Unity Week mean to you?
Being different.
Okay. Any last words for the camera?
Nope.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.